This is the February Pretty Obsessed box. Stay tuned and we'll go through to see what goodies we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic today. Today's video is another unboxing video, and it is this. This is the February Pretty Obsessed box. So this came on the 1st of March. So it's not as late as it normally is, but it was still a day late. And then it's a couple of days after, and I'm eventually getting to film this. But let's open this on up to see what we've got. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Oh, let's have a look. This is a sneak peek, and it doesn't feel like there's a lot in here. Oh god, please, fingers crossed, let it be good. If you are interested in this box, just to remind you, this box is not £25 anymore. It has gone up. This is £29.99, so basically £30, and then you've got a few pounds postage added on top too. I do have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box for you. If you click that and you purchase your first box, you'll get the postage on your first box for free. But yeah, let's get in here and have a look. First item in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand OK. If I'm correct, this is a Korean skincare brand. Really affordable, really good products. This is a cherry gel lip mask with hydrating hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. Ooh, is it just one mask that you get in there? I think it is, yeah. So yeah, you just whack it on your lips for 10 to 20 minutes. Cool. I love lip masks, or anything mask in particular, to be honest. Yeah, we'll have to give that a go to see what it's like. Second product in the box that we have is this. So this is by the brand Spa Life, and this is Moisture Luxe Nail Cuticle Wraps. Japanese Camilla oil and vitamin E, replenishing 30-minute treatment. Okay, so yeah, you've got little wraps for your nails that you pop on. That actually sounds really nice. I am well overdue a little home manicure session, so yeah, definitely gonna have to try these to see if they're all right. Never heard of the brand before, so I don't think it's a real expensive brand or anything, but yeah, we'll give it a go to see what those are like. Have you tried these before? Are they any good? Third item we have in the box is this. It is the same brand as the last product, Spa Life, and this is a brightening natural extract paraben and sulfate free papaya facial mask. You get one mask in here, and yes, it is a sheet mask, and again, you just slap it on your face and leave it on your face for 10 to 20 minutes. Yeah, cool. Love a good face mask. Fourth product in the box is this. Again, the same brand as the last two products, Spa Life. And these are pimple patches, gentle and non-drying stickers to help absorb impurities and zap blemishes fast. I was actually needing some more of these, so that's great that I've just got a little pack here. There's 18 little patches that you do get in here. I love these things. I've only just recently discovered them, and I'm just like, how have I lived life without them? I absolutely love pimple patches, so these are definitely going to get used well with me. Fifth item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Sensory Retreats, and it's Luna Eyes Self-Heating Eye Mask. I have had plenty of these in the past. I think I've still got some in my drawer. I love these, they're very nice. It's a shame that it's single use, but yeah, the smell of lavender is gorgeous, and it's just a lovely gentle heating effect over your eyes. Really makes you relax. It is really nice, so I am happy to get another one. Next product I've got in the box is this. So this is by Cozy Aromas, and it's Wrapped in a Bow Valentine's Day collection. And these are melts, I believe. So yeah, you just melt them. It's supposed to smell nice. This smells rosy. It smells Fausty. That sounds awful. Oh my goodness. It smells like rose potpourri type of smell. Not normally my bag, but we'll burn them and see what's what. Yeah, not thinking too much of them, if I'm honest. Seventh product I have is this. So this is by the brand Bella Paris, and this is their pressed banana powder light. I've never had one of their pressed powders before, so that's going to be interesting. I love a nice powder, especially banana powder. There it is there. Hopefully, obviously, when that's on and you're using it properly, it's not going to be too yellow. But yeah, that actually looks all right. It feels finely milled and so on. Okay, yeah. Nice brand as well, I must say. The product we have is this. Again, by the brand Bella Paris Cosmetics. And this is Kiss Proof Lip Cream in the shade Nude. Oh, perfect shade for me, I must say, but let's have a little look. So it does say lip cream, so I'm presuming liquid lipstick. I don't normally get on with liquid lipsticks. I would have preferred this just to be in a gloss, but let's pop it on. So this is what it looks like on. I must say it's actually a really nice colour. It feels really nice on the lips. This is what the doe foot looks like, and that is a closer swatch for you. I really do like it. It all depends on how this is going to dry down. Hopefully if that dries down nicely, I'm onto a winner, because I really like that so far. Ninth product we have is this. So yet another product by Bella Paris. Luckily I like this brand and this is the Pomprous Lash Volume Mascara. Oh, let's have a look see at this. Oh, I love that. That looks really cute, the packaging. What is the brush like? Oh yes, yes, I love a plastic one. That looks like it's gonna actually just grip the lashes lovely and do something nice with them. Oh yeah, yeah. I like the look of that. The 10th and final product we have in the box is this. So this is by Able Skincare London, and this is a 2-in-1 glycolic blue light exfoliating and illuminating duo moisturizer. That certainly is a mouthful indeed. Apply a pea-sized amount to clean dry skin every morning and evening. And we all know Able Skincare is quite expensive. Okay, so that's definitely put a firework in the box. Oh my goodness. Yeah, is that sealed? It is. I'm leaving that sealed. I'm not opening that one. But yeah, wow, really happy to get an Able Skincare product in there. I know there's some people out there, there's like conspiracy theories like, oh, it's not worth what it is, but either way, no matter what, I wouldn't be able to afford this off my own back. So this is why I like to buy beauty boxes, because I get products in there that I wouldn't necessarily be able to afford or be able to get. So wow. Hey guys, so this is the February Pretty Obsessed box. What do you think? Personally, it's not a bad box, to be honest. I am in love with that mascara. I'm in love with that Able Skincare product. The lip product, very sticky. It is, I mean, it does say it's a cream. It's a liquid lipstick, basically. If I can get like a nice oil or something to sit on that, because I can't stand. It feels all right. My lips don't feel dry, but that sticky feeling would drive me insane. And then you get that line there, which is really annoying too. But yeah, if I can find a way to make that not be irritating and make my lips stick together, that would be great, because the colour is stunning. The banana powder is nice, the lip mask, the heated eye mask, the papaya face mask, the spot patches. Yeah, I think it's really good. We've even got little wraps for the nails and cuticles. The one thing I'm not really fussed about is the melt. Where is it there? That melt thing there. It's not my kind of scent, if I'm honest. But yeah, not a bad box. I know, because I went on the site when they put the prices up and I had a little read around, and they're like, oh, it's so they can make the boxes a bit better. What do you think? I know it's a lot of money putting the boxes up by £5, a lot of money. It doesn't feel like they've made any difference to the box. I know there's an Able skincare product in there, which is absolutely fabulous. I feel they would have put that in there in any way. I don't know. And now I'm stuck. Do I stay on for another month to see what's what, or should I just call it quits now? This is flabbergasted me. It really has. Guys, help. Comment down below. What should I do? I don't know what to do. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.